Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The main components of bubble tea are tea, milk, and tapioca pearls, as well as alarmingly high levels of sugar. Tapioca pearls, loved for their chewy, candy-like texture and often referred to by their Chinese name, boba, are as bad for your health as actual candy. 9 June 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Health Promotion Board recommends limiting free sugar intake within 10% of daily calorie requirements. Your average bubble tea intake over 3 times a week, given that you don't consume any other sweetened food or drink, may fall within daily free sugar recommendations. 3 December 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
These little black balls at the bottom of the bubble tea are as bad for your health as actual candy. These bouncy tapioca balls are high in carbs and low in well-being, promoting nutrients like vitamins, minerals, proteins and fibers. These become worse when they are boiled in sugar. 21 August 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to make your bubble tea a healthier drink. Ask for less or no sugar, including less flavored syrup and sweetened fruit purees. Ask for fresh milk, preferably low-fat or skimmed, as a substitute for non-dairy creamers. Ask for plain bubble tea without the chewy tapioca pearls or the milk to reduce the calories. The 24th of September 2013.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.